Conversations at the library.
Excuse me, are you the librarian?
Yes, I am.
Would you be able to help me find a book?
Of course. Which book are you looking for?
I'm looking for a book on how to draw.
I think I can help you with that. The arts section is over here. Here's a very popular book on drawing characters.
That's exactly what I'm looking for. Thank you.
No problem. I'm happy to help. Are you learning how to draw?
No, I'm not getting the book for myself. The book is for my niece. She's learning how to draw.
How old is your niece?
She's 8 years old.
You should get this book as well. It's perfect for younger readers. The first book might be too advanced for your niece.
Thank you for the recommendation. I think I'll get both books.
Borrowing a book from the library.
How can I borrow these books?
You'll need a library card. Do you have a library card?
No, I don't. How do I get one?
I just need your ID, and I can give you a library card.
Here's my driver's license.
Thank you. Give me a moment to enter your information into the computer. Here's your library card.
Thank you. How long can I borrow the books for?
You can borrow the books for 2 weeks. Before the books expire, you can renew them twice.
How do I renew a book?
You can renew the books by coming back to the library. You can also renew the books by calling us.
Thank you for all your help.
My pleasure. I hope your niece enjoys the books.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like and share this video.
Let us know in the comments what other English conversations you would like to see.